Hello and welcome to today's episode of Rusty Elk Garage. Hey, today we're going to attend the Wiki Up storage unit auction in La Pine, Oregon. They have 4 units that they're going to be selling today, and when they open that door to a unit, you don't know what's going to be behind it. Hopefully find some car parts or anything cool, motorcycle maybe. You never know. So we're going to go to the auction and see what we find. Pin one.
Oh, yeah. 20? 25. 25? No? 30. Okay. 35. 35? 35? 35? 40. 40. 40? 45. 55. 55. 60.
Holy shit.
I don't know.
What do you think, Chris?
Stacked deep.
Yeah.
Lots of dust on some old boxes.
Somebody's been paying on that for many years.
Yeah.
What do you think, Jed?
It's a lot of junk in there. A lot of junk.
Are we ready? Who'll give me $50? How about 50? $50? 50. 55. Who'll give me 55?
Yeah, bargain, right? Yeah.
85. 100. 100. 105. 150. 155.
Sold it. $150.
You go, Mark.
Good, how are you?
Good. Jet over at Cowboy.
Oh, how's that going?
Low miles over some decent looking backpacks in there.
I heard that. Don't care by a storage unit. 50. Karen? Karen?
Sold.
50 over here. What? 50? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Okay. 50. 55. 60. 55.
Low miles. Low miles on the bed.
Huh?
Yeah. Going far.
Keep them all close.
You never know what people's reaction is going to be, you know, when they open. Sometimes it's like, oh, sometimes it's, ooh.
Look at that.
Right, right.
Alright, y'all are looking at this side, I'm gonna go from the other side.
Oh, we got. Yeah, it's all the way through.
There's 4 buckets. I need 2 buckets. If everybody, or whoever buys it. There's a whole bunch of them there. Yeah. What are you get cold? Oh. What is this? What is this thing over there? Oh no, I have growth.
Microfish.
Watch out, I have a growth. 200. 200. Who'll give me 210? Who'll give me? Keep your hand down.
You're an electrician.
We don't have enough money. Keep your hand down.
Some scrap copper. There's a little bit in there. There's scrap copper.
You're too young. You have to be 18. Oh, man.
Too big, too much for not enough return.
Now the work begins. Woo. Well, the auction's over. We didn't get anything. Certainly could have, but it was a bunch of junk. You know, it would taken hours and hours and not days, weeks to clean some of that crap out of that last one there. So, nope, no deals here today. So we ended our evening at the Cowboy Dinner Tree restaurant near Silver Lake, Oregon, for our youngest daughter, Kendra's birthday dinner. The food here is fantastic. Huge steak, baked potato, lemonade, and an awesome atmosphere. And we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage. And if you would, please hit that like and share button. Thank you.